Soldier, you stand before me today, a proud Spartan ready to embrace your destiny. But before you rush into the fray, I urge you to remember this. The most powerful weapon you possess is not your spear, nor your shield, but your words. Yes, your words. They are the very essence of your spirit, the embodiment of your thoughts. Today, we shall explore how mastering your words can lead you to greatness, not just in battle, but in life itself. You see, words have the power to build empires or to tear them down. In ancient Greece, the greatest orators like Pericles shaped the course of our city-states with their eloquence. They understood that the right words, at the right moment, could inspire courage in the hearts of men and rally an entire nation. Just as a Spartan phalanx stands united, so too should your words stand firm and resolute. Imagine the legendary hero Achilles, whose rage was legendary, yet it was his words that sparked the greatest battles. When you speak, choose your words wisely, for they carry the weight of your intentions. They can be a sword or a shield. As the mighty lion does not roar without purpose, neither should you. Speak with conviction and clarity, for the world will listen. You are a Spartan, forged in the fires of discipline and honor. Your words must reflect that strength. Think of the tales of Heracles, who, through sheer will and determination, faced insurmountable odds. He did not rely solely on his brute strength. He knew that words could persuade gods and mortals alike. So, too, must you learn the art of persuasion. Be like the river, which carves its path through the toughest rock with persistence and resolve. Do not underestimate the power of kindness in your words. Even the fiercest warrior can disarm an enemy with compassion. When you speak kindly, you wield an invisible sword that can cut through hatred and misunderstanding. Remember the wisdom of Socrates, who taught that a gentle word can turn away wrath. Approach your adversaries with understanding, and you may find that they become allies instead. As you prepare for battle, you must also prepare your mind. Meditate upon your words. The philosopher Plato taught us that the unexamined life is not worth living. Reflect on your thoughts before they leave your lips. A single misstep in your words can lead to chaos, just as a single misstep in a battle formation can lead to defeat. Keep your mind sharp, for a well-prepared soldier is a formidable force. In the heat of combat, when swords clash and shields splinter, remember that your voice can rally your comrades. With every battle cry, you invoke the spirit of Leonidas himself. Your words can ignite a fire within your fellow warriors, reminding them of their duty and honor. Led by example, when you speak with courage, others will follow. But words are not just for the battlefield. In your daily life as a Spartan citizen, your words can create bonds stronger than any chain. Whether speaking to your family, your friends, or your fellow soldiers, let your words reflect the values of loyalty, integrity, and honor. In a world filled with chaos, be a beacon of light with your speech. Just as the ancient Greeks celebrated the arts, so too should you cultivate the art of conversation. Engage with the elders of Sparta, learn from their wisdom. When you listen, you empower yourself with knowledge. When you speak, do so with respect and humility. The wise warrior knows that every interaction is an opportunity for growth. As you hone your skill in mastering words, remember the story of the tortoise and the hare. The tortoise, slow and steady, speaks little but acts wisely. The hare, though quick and boastful, rushes to his own demise. Let your words be measured and thoughtful, not hasty and careless. In this way, you will prevail over those who rush without purpose. In your journey, there will be times of doubt. When the weight of the world feels heavy upon your shoulders, remember the words of the oracle at Delphi. Know thyself. When you truly understand who you are, your words will resonate with authenticity. Speak your truth, and the universe will align in your favor. Take a moment to visualize your future. Picture yourself as a wise and respected leader, someone whose words inspire generations to come. This is not just a dream. It can be your reality. But to achieve it, you must practice relentlessly. Speak with intention, and your words will carve a path to your destiny. Now, soldier, as we prepare for the challenges ahead, I want you to embrace the power of your voice. Let it echo across the battlefield, ringing with strength and clarity. When you speak, do not shy away from your convictions. Own your words, for they are the very fabric of your being. You are not just a soldier, you are a storyteller. Each battle you face is a chapter in the epic of your life. With every word, you have the power to shape your narrative. Will it be one of triumph, or will it fade into obscurity? The choice is yours, and it begins with your words. Remember the story of Odysseus, who with his clever words and cunning mind, outsmarted foes far greater than himself. Just as he navigated treacherous waters, you too must navigate the complexities of life with your words as your compass. Speak strategically, and you will find your way through even the darkest times. Engage in discourse, share your thoughts, and challenge the ideas of others. A true warrior embraces knowledge as much as he embraces his sword. Every conversation is an opportunity to sharpen your mind and refine your understanding. Seek out wisdom and let it flow through your speech. Let us not forget the power of silence. Sometimes the most impactful words are the ones left unsaid. Choose your moments wisely. Not every situation requires a response. Like the calm before a storm, silence can be a powerful tool that builds anticipation and focus. As you master your words, remember that you are also representing Sparta. Each word you speak carries the weight of our people. Speak with honor, and your reputation will flourish like the olive tree, deeply rooted and widely respected. Your legacy will echo through the ages. In closing, I urge you to harness the strength of your voice. Master your words as you master your sword. Be both a warrior and a philosopher, for the battles you face are not just physical. They are mental and emotional as well. Rise to the occasion, speak with purpose, and let your voice resonate like the thunder of Zeus. Your destiny awaits, Spartan. Will you rise to meet it, armed not just with strength, but with the mastery of your words? I believe you will. Stand tall, speak boldly, and let the world hear the powerful echoes of your voice. Together, we will forge a future worthy of our ancestors and the legacy of Sparta.